Do you have stored body fat that you have tried to get rid of in the past, but nothing worked? Do you wish to know deeply about the new weight loss supplement LeptoConnect, how well it addresses overweight issues, and how you can make the original purchase? If the answer is yes, the following breakthrough information will change everything you know about losing weight and choosing what's right for you. Addressing the root cause of leptin resistance may be one of the most important things you could do today for weight loss results, now and well into old age. LeptoConnect is a new weight loss supplement, made with 100% natural ingredients and multivitamins to let you lose weight easily, without having to go through the stress of starvation, excessive exercise and even depression. Since the LeptoConnect product is taking the internet by storm, many people have resorted as fake retailers, to scam people all around the web, selling a fake product labeled LeptoConnect, that doesn't contain the real ingredients to unsuspecting buyers, thereby causing the victims to fall short of getting the expected positive results, and even their hard-earned money. These scammers have even employed a means of providing fake reviews, on a cloned website, where buyers are directed to buy the fake LeptoConnect product. Sometimes you do not even get the product. As the latest research from Italy and China reveals a very disturbing fact, if you have 2 pounds over the normal body weight, you have a 79% risk of developing other dangerous health issues. Especially as belly fat puts pressure on your internal organs, veins, and even your brain, clogging your arteries and leaving your body very vulnerable to virus infections. Yet, during their research, doctors came up with this 60 seconds weight loss ritual that can help anybody get rid of 1 pound of fat in a day, and also bulletproof your immune system against any dangerous infection. The LeptoConnect. LeptoConnect works mainly to combat leptin resistance. It addresses all these problems by improving the cognitive function of the brain, and helps it to activate leptin. It also enhances the already active leptin receptors, to work more efficiently. Know that leptin signals the brain to stop eating as soon as you're full. LeptoConnect is a highly effective supplement that comes with 100% natural ingredients. Some of the potent ingredients in LeptoConnect include mataki, shiitake mushrooms, graviola leaves, reishi mushrooms, African cherry, red raspberries, green tea extract, saw palmetto, vitamins B6 and E, zinc. Every one of these ingredients has a direct beneficial effect, with a minimum allergic reaction or negative side effect. These ingredients, also when combined, do not only help to reduce your weight and deal with weight issues, but also a recipe for healthy living. LeptoConnect is actually a product that works to make you lose weight efficiently. It addresses the problems associated with overweight people very effectively, using a formulation from the best ingredients, sourced from high-quality sources. Well though, since you have stumbled on this video, do not be disturbed about getting the best from the LeptoConnect formula, as a link to the original official website is provided in the description below, for you to buy the real LeptoConnect formula, which will provide you with all the natural ingredients and provide you with all the benefits. As top virus experts were left completely paralyzed after seeing the open brain surgery of an overweight patient, in this link, you will also find out all about the disturbing link between your body weight, brain and even the coronavirus infection. By using the link, you are also exposed to a great discount for the LeptoConnect formula, which will surely do your body all the good it deserves from it. Now go to the description below to see the link.